In this video, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube TV recordings so you can watch them offline. Unfortunately, YouTube TV does not currently offer a direct way to download recordings for offline viewing, like some other streaming services do. All your recorded shows and episodes are stored in the cloud under the Recordings section of the YouTube TV app or website, and they remain accessible as long as your subscription is active. However, there is a workaround if you want to save content locally. You can use third-party screen recording software or apps on your device to capture the playback while streaming the recorded show. Keep in mind that this method may not provide the best quality and could violate YouTube TV's terms of service, so proceed with caution. For now, your best option is to enjoy your recordings online through the YouTube TV app, which works on multiple devices like smartphones, tablets, and smart TVs. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand how to handle YouTube TV recordings, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.